What's up, everyone? Isaac here again. So I just wanted to share with you a small tool, basically that helps you retain your passwords, but also solve the problem of having to share a password to so many people. So this is called LastPass. As you can see, I'm in my LastPass account, and basically, if I wanted to share logins with somebody, let's say over a certain software or certain automation tool they need to use, I'll basically use LastPass, right? So the advantage of using LastPass is this person only needs to send you the email address. So, for example, let's say I wanted to share Go Pipeline Pro with a colleague. All I have to do is put in the email address here, and I say share. So they'll receive a notification on email for them to install LastPass for them to view this account. And then when they try to log into the software, they will definitely have access to the software that I've given them through LastPass. So LastPass logs in for you without you having to keep your software in so many places, because the disadvantage of having so many softwares in so many places is that you get confused, right? And also there's an opportunity for hackers to get access to that, and you lose access to your password. So I hope that's something that I thought I would share with you guys. As you can see, I have so many tools in here, but you can also use it to save your credit card information. You can use it to save your social media information, your Gmail passwords, whatever it is, access to your automation tools, and every other software that you need to use. Um, Guys, also the other benefit of using this is that it also has an app store as well as a Play Store app that you can install on your phone. So go check it out. LastPass is one of those tools I use, and I would encourage you to use it. See you guys in the next video. Cheers. Thanks.